Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. This is Ashley with FlexiFuse, and today I'm going to show you how to put together Block 9 from our Garden Party Celebration Laser Cut Kit. To start off this block for Garden Party Celebration, I'm going to start with the butterfly. So I have to snip out all of the tabs and get the pieces out. And then I'm going to use this Teflon sheet to build my butterfly. And then I will be able to peel it off all in one piece and add it to my block. Now that I have my templates where I'd like them, I'm going to press just really quickly with my hot iron, just enough to get those pieces to attach. Once I finish building my butterfly and I'm ready to put it on my block, I am going to press and hold for 10 seconds to make sure that the fusible and the fabric completely adhere to one another. I'm going to use the same method of pre-fusing with the leaves. Alright, I have my background all prepped and my applique pieces are all ready to lay down, so I'm going to start ironing them to my background piece. Alright, now that we have everything ironed down, I am ready to stitch around everything and get it ready to be quilted. This is going to be Block 9 in our Garden Party Celebration Laser Cut Kit.